Woo! One video down. Oh no, just kidding. I have to do the intro. Hey AllyCats, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to AllyCat Beauty. Today we are going to be applying and doing my first impression on my June IPSY Glam bag. So I'm really excited. If you haven't seen my last glam bag video, I will link it in the description below, and I think I'm also going to put it right up there. And then if you also didn't see my reveal video of my June glam bag, I will also be linking that in the description below and put it somewhere up there as well. In that video, I do a more in-depth description of some of the products and what their ingredients are and how to use them and all of that. So if you want more detail on that, then go ahead and check that video out. But if you just want to watch me apply the products and give you my feedback on them, then go ahead and keep watching. Let's get started, AllyCats. Alrighty, AllyCats, so we are going to jump right in. We're going to be starting off with the Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. It is the cleanser that I got in the IPSY Glam bag for June. So I'm just going to take this towel and dampen my face so that I can put on this cleanser. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna take a little bit to start. Alrighty, so I have the cleanser on. It's not really showing up in terms of being foamy, but it does feel really nice and refreshing. It smells really good. I am gonna go rinse my face off and we will see how it feels afterwards. Alrighty, so I'm back. I rinsed off my face. My face is still a little damp, as you can see, but my face does feel pretty smooth. It wasn't an exfoliating cleanser, but I do like how my skin feels clean. The reason that I did start with the cleanser is because we're going to be moving on to the mask, and I like to always have a clean face before I do a mask because I don't want the mask having to detoxify any more than it needs to. So we did the cleanser first, and now we are going to be moving on to the Eggplant Mud Cream Mask by Papa Recipe. Alrighty, so this mask features a smoothly gliding cream texture with a clay powder to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up, and we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit out. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it's definitely got that purple eggplant color to it. There are some like exfoliating beads I can already feel. I tend to like to put a slightly thicker coat so that I know that all the areas that I want to be covered are actually covered. Alrighty, perfect. So now I look like a grape or an eggplant. But I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, let it dry up, and then I'll wash it off. And then I will come back and let you guys know how it did. Okay, so just a quick check-in. It's drying down pretty nicely. It's only been a couple minutes, but I am starting to get that smell. You can definitely tell that this is a mud mask just by the smell, but it does feel very nice on my skin. Alrighty, so I am back. I just washed off the mask and I put a little bit of moisturizer on to prep my face for the makeup that we're gonna be using today. But I'm gonna try and leave most of my comments for the end of the video when I review all of the products at once, but I'm not entirely sure if I would use that mask again. So I'll leave it at that for now, and then we'll go into more detail a little later. Now we are gonna go in with the Hello Fab Pores Begone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. It is by First Aid Beauty. It is a matte primer. It's oil-free and safe for sensitive skin, and it just says apply evenly over a clean face. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right now. Oh, this doesn't come with one of those like little seals, so that's the only thing that I guess I would worry about, but I haven't had any issues with products from IPSY, so I'm not too worried. But just in case you're a little more sensitive with some of that stuff or that bothers you, then just letting you know. So this actually smells really, really good. You can tell it smells like a little fruity. You can definitely smell that fig extract in there as well. So this is pretty thick going on, but it does smell really good like I was saying, and it is actually doing a pretty good job of blurring my pores. I feel like my skin looks really smooth and even, so that's good. But we will see how it works out throughout putting on my makeup and how it feels throughout filming. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna quickly do the rest of my face so that we can get into the highlight and the lip liner. So I'm gonna go and do that off camera and then I will be back. Alrighty, so I went ahead and did most of my face. All that's really left is the highlighter and the lips. So we're gonna dig back into our glam bag and I'm gonna take out my OFRA by Talia highlighter in Soho and my Pout on Point lip liner by Pop Beauty. So we're gonna get started with the highlighter first. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice. It's got like a nice golden tone to it. And I am gonna go in with my Royal & Langnickel fan brush. So I'm just gonna run the brush around, tap off some of the excess. And I'm just putting it on the tops of my cheekbones. And you can already really see that highlight, which I love. I absolutely love my highlights, so I'm really excited to get to try this one. This one is the one that I got to pick for my IPSY Glam bag, and it is a full size. I've heard a lot of really good things about OFRA highlighters, so I'm really excited to get to try it. And then I'm gonna just do a little bit on my nose. And I think I'm gonna take a tiny bit and put it on my brow bone. So I'm gonna take my Eco Tools Eye and Lip Blur. I'm just gonna tap into that a little and just put the slightest bit of highlight just to give it a little bit more glow. I'm just gonna put it right there. I really like it, and from putting it on so far, I am in love with this. But I will give you more of my final thoughts in a few minutes. And now we're gonna do the lip liner. I'm gonna quickly put on some chapstick because my lips have been pretty chapped lately. So just to give it a nice little base. That way the liner and the lipstick that I'm using will go on a little more smoothly. This is the Pout on Point in Risque Rose. It's a nice little pencil. It's got a nice case. Is this? Oh, so it is a pull off and then you screw up to get the lip liner. I don't put on too much lip liner, so we'll see how this goes. But that's the whole point of IPSY. You get to try new products. So the chapstick may have harmed me a little more than it's helping me. This is going on. This is really hard to go on, so I'm just gonna blot my lips really quick. And I'm gonna try and go in again and see if it goes on a little easier. So this is the lip liner. I went a little thicker just to kind of see what the color would be. Once I blotted my lips, it was definitely a lot easier to put on. I do really like this color though, so now I have to choose which lipstick to put on. I think I'm gonna go with this more nude lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It's by NYX. It's the NYX Lingerie and it's in Bedtime Flirt. So that is the lip liner. I really like it. I will give you my thoughts in a couple minutes, but let me get my hair fixed and everything, and then I will be showing you the final look. Alrighty, AllyCats, so this is the final look. I am really happy with it. It's nice and natural, and we got to use all of the products today from our June IPSY Glam bag. So I am going to really quickly go through and review each of them, do my first impression. So the first product we used was the Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam Cleanser. I liked this. It smells really good. My face did feel really clean before, but I am gonna have to try it out a few more times to see how I really feel about it. But so far, this is definitely something that I would use again. And then we have the Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. This is very purple when it goes on, if you didn't see. It dried down a little duller, and it did feel really nice on my skin, and when I was taking it off, I definitely felt those exfoliating beads. But the only thing is, it did start to smell a little bit. Like I said, it started to smell kind of like muddy and like clay, but not in like the best way. So it kind of creeps up on you. But if we're just going based on the feel of the product, I would definitely use this again. It made my face feel very smooth and like woken up almost. But in terms of the smell, it's a little bit of a turn off for me, but maybe I'll use it again. We'll see. I'll use it a few more times just to kind of see if that smell keeps annoying me or not. And then we went on to the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Pores Begone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. This blurred my pores really well, and it really did a good job of evening out my skin. I like how it looked, and it's really holding up well so far. It is something I will have to keep on trying, just because primer I feel like you have to test out all day. So my first impression of this is really good. I like it. I would definitely use it again. And then the next product we're gonna move on to is the OFRA by Talia highlighter in Soho. I absolutely loved this. I've heard really good things about Oprah highlighters. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers use it and absolutely love it. I am definitely very, very happy with it. You can really see it on camera too. I feel like you can see it pretty well, but it's nice and subtle when you first put it on. But if I really wanted to put on a lot more, I bet I could, and it would be really buildable and just pop even more. But so far I am really happy with it, so I will definitely be using this again. And then my last item from the IPSY Glam bag is the Pout on Point by Pout Beauty lip liner in Risque Rose. The color is really nice. It was a little difficult to put on when I had my chapstick on, but I do like how this is like a retractable lip liner. I think the only thing for me is that I had it out a little too much, so I felt like it was just gonna snap off if I pressed too hard. So maybe next time I will just keep it down a little more. But like I said, I don't use lip liners too much, so this is something that I'm definitely gonna be playing around with. But the color's really nice, the formula feels really smooth, so no complaints. So that is it for my June IPSY Glam bag. I am really excited to have all these products and to keep using them. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part was. If you want to see a tutorial on this eye look, then stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing a little tutorial on the look just to kind of give this nice natural smoky eye that you can do for an everyday look. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to get a notification every time I upload a new video, go ahead and ring that bell as well. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at AllyCat Beauty. And remember, beauty radiates from within, so don't forget to be confident and be you. See you later, AllyCats.